So this is day one of the vlog. The weather was so good that day that we decided to have a cute little picnic brunch out in our balcony. So yeah. So guys, tomorrow is my mom's birthday and Ananta and I are gonna bake her a cake today. We don't want to keep anything for tomorrow, so we're gonna do it today. For anyone who doesn't know, Ananta is my sister. Yeah, so I'll just go and make myself some coffee. I've already had my breakfast and then we're gonna get into the cake. Here's my coffee and here's my sister. She's been on this channel many times, so I'm sure you guys are familiar with her. Now we're gonna start with the cake. We're gonna go for a pretty simple one. We'll make some vanilla cake and cover it up with buttercream frosting. And yeah, we're gonna make, what kind of cake are we making? You won't know. She's a baker. We're doing that. Asking me what kind of fry. We are making somewhat similar to a Korean cake. I wouldn't say that it's a Korean cake. I don't think that it'll just look. I don't think so. It's gonna taste like one, but it'll probably will try to make it look like one. Just very like minimalistic and very cute little cake that you see on pictures, basically. That's what we're going to make. Yeah. So let's get started with that.
1 hour later. Later.
So we're just waiting for the oven timer to go off and then we'll get to decorating it. Meanwhile, I'm just taking some Instagram stories and I might take some reels as well. So I will show you when the cake is done.
1 eternity later.
It's currently 4:40 p.m. It took us quite a while to make this and we've also completed making our icing. We wanted to go for a sage green color and I'm pretty satisfied with it. It looks cute. I think it's going to look nice. So I also baked a cake for my mom last year. I will insert a picture and I'm hoping that this one turns out better. So let's see for you. So this is the final cake, guys. I think my mom is gonna love it. This is so cute and exactly what we wanted to do. So I'm happy, honestly. So we're kind of done with all the shoots for the day. I shot some Instagram pictures. I also shot for an Instagram campaign that I had to do. So I think now I'm just gonna take my makeup off and eat because I have not eaten anything. Good morning, guys. So it is currently 5:25. I woke up at 5. It's a first for me for sure, but I wanted to see the sunrise and I wanted to see what it's going to be like if I wake up early in the morning, because honestly all the successful people do it, so it has to be something. So I want to try it too. Hopefully today is productive and I'll show you through the day for sure. Guys, we woke up early to watch the sunrise and like you can see the sun has already risen, but we could not see it because it's so cloudy. So that's not a very good start, honestly. I'm a little disappointed. Now usually I journal at night before going to bed, but I thought why not do it in the morning. It'll kind of set the right tone for my day. I even decided to make myself some breakfast. I know it's not much, but that's all I could do in the morning. And to be honest, I'm very, very proud of myself. You guys won't believe how beyond shameless my sister is. She actually took pictures of my food, made a video out of it, only because she thought her plate was not good enough. I mean, it was not pretty enough. Do you have something to say about it? You stole someone's food and made it look like it was yours. I didn't steal your food. First of all, I have my own food. I just took it because the aesthetic looks nice. So guys, it is 9 something right now and I'm done with my dinner and everything. I'm super tired now. I just want to go to bed. I had a very, very productive morning and I know I did not vlog the rest of the day because I had some important work which, I mean, there was nothing interesting in that. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys like this, and I know I did not vlog all 7 days, but I'm new at this, so please cut me some slack. I'm gonna be better, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.